Alkitine Army. I hope that you all are staying hydrated and healthy. I'm your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik at Vedantu, and I welcome you all again to the second class of the second chapter for your class 10th ICSE, that is chemical bonding. And we've already taken one class, that was the bridge course, in which we discussed some of the basic terms like valency, how do we write the electronic configuration of elements, those basic concepts. Okay, so now you know that bond formation will be very easy for you to understand, so please watch that video if in case you have missed it. Okay, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss on any of the one shot revisions that we can have, and the doubts and menti sessions as well, right? Okay, chalo, so with that note, let's begin today's session without wasting any time, in which we have to understand why do elements combine. Now that's a very legit question, isn't it? Like, why is it happening that atoms are even combining? Why can't they exist in the free state? So if I ask you, why do you get involved in relationships? And when I say relationship, you don't have to think about boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay, so ma'am is just talking about any relationship you have with your mother, right? You have with your brother, with your best friend. So why do we need that? There is an obvious reason, that we want some emotional stability, we want mental stability, isn't it? So there are always ups and downs in life, we need someone by our side, so we also need some kind of stability. That is why we are having so many bonds. Like your bond with Shilpi ma'am is also important for your exams, isn't it? So the same happens with the elements as well. But the only difference is that elements, they don't have a necessarily best friend, you can say, but they also make very strong bonds. And what is their criteria? That is again stability. Each and everything in the universe wants to achieve stability, and the same goes with the atoms as well, right? And what is that way of achieving the stability? That differs, and that is what we study in the bond formation. That what happened, one hydrogen atom had to combine with another hydrogen atom to exist as a molecule H2. There is a bond involved between them. What was the necessity of that bond formation? What was the condition for that, as well as how exactly it's taking place? Okay, everything we have to understand. Chalo, now we have already done the octet rule, so you would remember this, I guess, isn't it? So it's very important for an atom that if it wants to attain some stability, it should be having a total of 8 electrons in its valence shell. There are some exceptions, like there is also a duplet rule. So just say that happens in the case of hydrogen, we will also discuss that, right? So that is one primary factor. So just say you have your some stability factors, like ma'am, I want to score 100 in chemistry, I want to score 100 in mathematics. You have some simple, ma'am, I want to come top on the leaderboards, isn't it? So just like that, they also, elements have some dream. They're like, we also want to have 8 electrons in the valence shell, and to attain those 8 electrons, they are ready to do anything. They are ready to make covalent bond, coordinate bond, or ionic bond. That depends on the respective element that we are talking about. Okay, chalo, now the other thing, you would have heard about the reactivity of certain metals. Just say if I talk about alkali metals are kept in kerosene, most of them. Just say if I talk about sodium, lithium and potassium, so you would have heard that we cannot keep them in water. Not in fact in water, you cannot keep a piece of sodium metal on this table. So it cannot come in direct contact with the atmosphere as well. So you have to always keep it in the kerosene oil, so that it's not coming in contact with oxygen or water by any medium. So what is making it so reactive? So if you pay attention to sodium, necessarily we are talking about here, it is having an atomic number 11, configuration 281. Okay? So if you pay attention, sodium is having one valence electron. The same goes with the lithium, will also be having one valence electron. Potassium again is having one valence electron. So what is the situation of sodium? Imagine sodium is like, yeah, dude, I want to have a total of 8 electrons in my valence shell. I would be like a noble gas. That's a dream come true for sodium. So sodium is very, willing to lose its one electron. Sodium is like, at any cost I have to get rid of this one electron. So that is making it very reactive. So sodium is always having one electron on its hand. You want one electron, you want it, take it, right? So it's very reactive. So you can understand the situation of sodium. Let's say you scored 39 marks out of 100 in any subject XYZ. So, and the passing marks are 40. What is the passing criteria? That is to have 40 marks. Like, what will you do? You will literally just start crying in front of the teacher. Well, that's what I guess I will do. So you can understand the desperation of that student to gain 40 marks, right? Just standing on the verge of the passing marks. The same is happening with sodium, is also on the verge of getting an octet. So for that, it's highly, just reactive to lose its one electron. That is why sodium you will never find in the free state. In fact, if you talk about the ore of sodium, that is rock salt, NaCl की form में मिलता है in the sea water, जहाँ से we extract sodium by doing the electrolysis. ठीक है? So that is again a term of reactivity, which is again related to the stability of the atom. Okay, so now you know that. ठीक है? Now the next thing, what happens when sodium is put into water? Oh my god, don't just do that. So when I was in my college days, so we used to do this in chemistry lab. We are stealing lot of sodium from the chemistry lab and just throwing it in garden where there's a lot of water to just cause the mini explosion. I'm not telling you to do that, please. Okay, so I'm just telling you what we used to do. So if you take sodium and if it comes in contact with oxygen, you would be getting the formation of an oxide, sodium oxide. Along with this, energy is also released. So it's a sort of exothermic reaction. So it's like, you are not supposed to do that. Fire accidents ho sakte hain. And the same if you take sodium and God forbid, if it comes in contact with water accidentally, then what happens? There is a formation of sodium hydroxide, hydrogen, and along with this, there is a large amount of heat energy that is evolved. अब इस heat energy से होता क्या है? This heat energy evolved is sufficient to ignite hydrogen. So ignition temperature of hydrogen is reached and hydrogen is gonna catch the fire. Okay, so that's a mini explosion, so we have to avoid that. Again, the reason is the reactivity I want to tell you. Okay, so you have copper, you would have seen not just copper, iron is there, silver is there, aluminium you have seen. There are metals, with the passage of time they start losing their shine. Again, what is causing them? Because they are, just continuously they are trying to react with something so that they can achieve their desired octet or the duplet, right? So what do we conclude from here? We conclude that elements are actually reacting to gain the stability. Everything in the universe, I told you, is moving in a direction so that they can gain certain sort of stability, right? So like, it's like there's a meme also. What if I tell you that a job guarantee eliminates unemployment? Definitely we are looking for that, isn't it? So you always say, ma'am, I want to be a doctor, so you have to study hard for it, isn't it? So again, I want to be a doctor, I will have my dream car, I will have my dream house, I will gain the stability. So ultimately it all comes down to that stability ka factor. We just have to connect it to the atoms as well. Okay, so before that, one important information ma'am will tell you, which is about the subscription of Vedantu. Now, why do you need the subscription if ma'am is teaching on the YouTube for free itself? That's a valid question. So देखो, the thing is that we have certain limitations. Ma'am is not able to take everything here, because it is very important to do the practice as well, right? So सिर्फ theory पढ़ने से everything is not promised. 100% marks, 100% improvement is promised if you are doing a lot of practice. ठीक है. You have to take up the test series, you have to take the mock test, you have to see the pattern of the previous year question papers, you have to solve a lot of assignments, you have to see the competition, where exactly I'm standing among all the students, plus there has to be syllabus completion on time, in fact before time, so that we have plenty of time to do the revision. So it's a systematic way to study, and you will get that everything in the subscription, plus VIP is also there. So now it's not like that, ma'am, what happens if I'm paying for 1 year and I don't see any improvement in myself? So aisa nahi hoga, you don't have to worry about that, because VIP is there, in which we are giving you a guarantee that you will improve. We will be tracking your entire academic performance, your school test, how you are performing in the school examinations, okay? And after that, at the end of the year, you feel there is no improvement, then your money would be paid back to you. Okay, so fees वापस हो जाएगी, you can just say that. And in the subscription you get the unlimited, do you even feel that, unlimited live classes with the fun and high level quizzes. So quizzes are incorporated in the class. Not just quizzes, I will tell you about the normal in-text questions are there, the subjective questions are there based on the board exam pattern. I'm talking about ICSE as well as CBSE. Okay, so you can attend as many live classes for all the 6 subjects. You have physics, chemistry, then biology is there, English is there, social is there. That's awesome, maths is there. Compete with the students throughout the world. So I told you, we keep on conducting tests, and after every test your overall entire performance analysis is done, your rank is calculated, so everything, you will know where exactly you are standing. ठीक है. उसके अलावा we have interactive replays which are available with the live quizzes. So you if in case you missed the class, you can anyway go back and watch the replay. ठीक है. Live quizzes होते हैं, leaderboards is something that you people love a lot, isn't it? Premium downloadable handwritten notes would be there by the master teacher. So whatever we are scribbling, you would be getting that. So now we have soft copies as well as we have the hard copies. So that's like a, you don't need anything else if you take the subscription even for 1 month. So that is what I advise you to take a trial subscription of the 1 month. ठीक है, लेकर देखो, if you like it, very good. Otherwise, so you will know it. ठीक है, वैसे I'm certainly, like, I'm very sure that you're gonna love it, and you will after that go for the year-long subscription. In class doubt solving is there. So along with the master teachers, we have a team of class teachers who help you throughout the live sessions, right? So as many doubts you are having, you can get them cleared all in the class. And quality tests and assignments are given after every class. You have to solve that, they are discussed. So I'll show you the pattern. एक बार रुको. Okay, Alt plus tab, and yeah, so this is how your screen portal is going to look like of the Vedantu, right? So these are the sessions that we have to take in the future, and if you want to download the past notes, go to past. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो, you will get 2 features, replay and get notes, right? So if you tap on the get notes, your notes would be downloaded. जैसे, let's see this. Okay, and this is in the form of PDF. So you can see that whatever ma'am is scribbling, this all you would be getting. ठीक है? Okay, so this is how your notes are going to look like. Hard copies, again I told you, Tattva is also available now, and you can replay the session from here, any of the session. Tap in here, replay, and you will see how many doubts were asked in the session, how many doubts were resolved in the class. जैसे ma'am is going to show you the replay of this. Okay, so if you scroll down the entire analysis, you would be getting, so your doubts were resolved or not resolved, so that also you will getting the entire information about. Okay, chalo, anyway I will show you with the help of screenshots what you have to do, how you have to avail the subscription. So you need to go in description box of this video. ठीक है, वहाँ पर जाकर you will be getting a link that you can see here, this. Okay, tap on the link, and then what we have to see, I guess some internet issues are there right now. We will have a look at it after some time. Okay, I will show you how to avail it. So in the description box, you will be getting a link for the Pro, Vedantu Pro subscription. So you tap on there, you would be getting a screen I will tell you about. But before that, you also get the unlimited micro courses. Unlimited, you understand? Okay, so as many micro courses as you are like literally able to attend, you can attend. We are not putting any of the restrictions. So micro courses are the short chapter based courses. Okay, so what is the smartest way? You take the subscription for 1 month. Okay, attend as many micro courses as you can. Okay, so majorly syllabus you will cover right there only. Yeah, so more classes at a lesser price. So Abhishek sir always say that you get one class for even less than a Parle G and Lay's ka packet. Yeah, and you can apply this coupon code for 10% extra discount. That is SKA Pro, Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro. Yay! Okay, I will tell you, dekho. So if you go to that description link of the video, these are the 3 options that you would be getting. Let ma'am check it. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so you would be getting an option for the Pro Lite. We have Pro Classic and we are having Pro Plus. Right, in the Pro Lite you are getting everything. जैसे देखो, live interactive online classes are available. Test series and analysis is a part of Pro Lite. Notes and study material, you get everything. Doubt solving during the live class. So if these things are sufficient for you, which I believe are sufficient for a student who is like actually studying every day, regularly studying. So agar aap wo karte ho, then this is the best for you. So again, I will advise you, if you are not comfortable with 1 year wala subscription, which is actually coming up with a guarantee this time. Anyway, agar aap year ka bhi lete ho, your money would be returned back if you are not like happy with the marks. If you don't feel any major improvement, ya fir, so first go for 1 month, see how it's working, and then you can go for the year wala subscription, jisme EMI ka option is still available, and 10% off you will get from the coupon code. Now if you want to have a doubt solving app as well, uske liye you need to take the classic wala subscription. Okay, so classic mein is like if you are solving a lot of authors, like a lot of books, extra books you are solving, and you have a lot of doubts away from the after your live classes, then you can go for this, right? Plus mein kya hai, you also get a personal mentor. इसमें तो like और center of attraction would be just you, right? So you are getting personal mentor है for the extra help after the class, या फिर कोई topic है which you didn't understood by the master teacher. Personal teachers are there. This also you can try each one of them for 1 month. जो भी आपको लगता है is good for you, and then you are done. So you don't have to pay itna sara money because unlimited micro courses. So I always say this is the best thing. Micro courses, I have seen students past year में वो अपना syllabus कर लेते थे complete within 1 to 2 months. They're like, ma'am, we are very smart. Okay, and that too with a guarantee. So guaranteed improvements in your school and the board exams scores. Okay, if no progress, then get your course feedback. No questions asked. You have to be quite punctual in the classes, punctual in the test. Then only you would be getting your fees. Okay? So you have to also get serious, and SKA Pro is the coupon code. New batches are getting started now. So yeah, that's what we need. Chalo. Anyway, coming back to this topic, so we have concluded that atoms are combining with each other because they want a stability. Okay. And what is their criteria of stability? To have 8 electrons in the valence shell, that is a complete octet, or to have a duplet. Okay, okay. So now what exactly happens? Chemical bonds. So how exactly they are combining with each other? They are combining by making a bond with each other. So bond is just a force of attraction that holds the different atoms together. Just say you have a friendship bond, right? Teacher to student bond is there. You love me, ma'am loves you. Also we have a bond with each other, right? ऐसे ही we are having a bond, a force of attraction between the atoms, ions, which is keeping them together. Like if I talk about this hydrogen atom is having only 1 electron. Another hydrogen atom is also having just 1 electron. Now each individual hydrogen atom is not stable because they just not have a duplet. So for having that, what they decide, one hydrogen atom goes to another, say एक काम करते हैं, let's make a bond with each other. So what they do, they just now mutually share their electron with each other. They decide चलो एक काम करते हैं, साथ में पार्टी करते हैं. So this way you can see both of them are getting a duplet. दोनों को दो electrons मिल गए. So there is this force of attraction between these two atoms, which I call as a chemical bond. So there is a chemical bond formation. The same thing happens. You would have seen sodium ions, chloride ions are having a bond between them, where sodium is giving its electron to chlorine. So again, force of attraction is present between them. Again, a chemical bond is being formed. Okay. Detailed discussion we would be doing in the next session when we will be discussing the different types of bond. Okay. Okay, so what is the reason? Point number 1, to gain the stability. I want PlayStation 5 because I will feel stable after having that. My mom would be like, hair only. To attain the minimum energy level. So whenever a bond formation happens, there is always a release of energy, okay, which makes the compounds more stable in nature. So that is again one of the factor. And to complete the octet or duplet. Octet or duplet. So duplet किस केस में होता है? When an atom is having only K shell, ठीक है, and its K shell is the valence shell only. So you know K के अंदर maximum capacity is to hold the 2 electrons. जैसे hydrogen wants 2 electrons in the valence shell, उसके पास K shell है. If you talk about lithium, lithium का configuration क्या है? 2 1. So lithium is always willing to lose its 1 electron ताकि it can get stable as a duplet. Okay, so it can be octet, it can be duplet, because they want to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Now everyone wants to be like a noble gas, like wow, noble gases, dream. Okay, octet rule, I have told you that outer shell should be having the 8 electrons to make it more stable, right? Just say you can consider, they have taken an example of nitrogen. See, if you write the configuration of nitrogen, that is 2 5. So this nitrogen atom is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons in the valence shell. Okay. And let's say there is another nitrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons in the valence shell. Now each nitrogen atom needs 3 extra electrons to gain an octet. So what they will do, they will come close to each other, mutually decide करेंगे, चलो एक काम करते हैं, let's share 3 electrons with each other. या भाई ठीक है. So देखो 3 electrons shared. This is the octet of the first nitrogen atom. Okay, यहाँ से देखो 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2. Octet of another nitrogen atom. Yeah, they are making a triple bond with each other. ठीक है, so ऐसे bond formation होगा and octet rule again is driving it here. Right? So we can do this. Okay, and remember, noble gases are least reactive. You would have heard about it. Noble gases are inert in nature. Reason क्या होता है? Because they already have an octet. They have achieved the octet. और helium के case में you can say the duplet it has achieved. So they are like, dude, we are not even interested to react with each other. You can have a look at the screen also. The floor is very reacting. So we will just better stay in air only, right? So like bond formation. Me, a noble gas, we don't do that here. Okay, so I'm taking this Black Panther ka dialogue. So that's gonna happen. And this bond formation can happen in 2 ways. In fact, 3 ways होंगे, हम देखेंगे. First way is to transfer the electrons completely from one atom to another. Jैसे if you have sodium, sodium is having 1 valence electron and chlorine is having 7 valence electrons. Sodium is like, dude, I don't want to keep this electron. मुझे ना चाहिए ही नहीं. I am getting the octet by losing this electron. And chlorine is like, I want this electron. So what sodium is going to do? It will transfer its electron to chlorine completely. So that's a complete transfer of electron which happens. ठीक है, so transfer में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Gain of electrons or loss of electrons can happen. Okay, chalo. So this type of bonding we call as the ionic bonding. right? We will do this in the next class, don't worry, in detail. And the second way is to share the electrons. Let's say we are having, अभी आपने देखा nitrogen atom 5 valence electron, another nitrogen 5, so they share 3 electron with each other, like yeah. So when we are not able to transfer the electrons, we will go with the sharing. And ये sharing भी काफी तरह से होती है. We have the covalent bond formation. Then there is one coordinate bond that we would be understanding. Okay. ठीक है. So you don't have to miss any of the classes. So these are the 3 types of bond formations that we would be discussing in the next class. Okay, covalent, ionic, and the coordinate bond formation. Coordinate is the most important one, right? So do attend the next session. So now today we have learned why do elements combine. The driving force is obviously to gain the stability. Okay, and in the next class we would be discussing these 2 bond formations, ionic and the covalent. Do not miss on that. And if you want to get enrolled in the subscription, talk to your parents, share the details with them, that now we are having a guarantee as well, so they would be knowing better than you. Yes. Okay, and ma'am has given you a coupon code, that is SKA Pro, that also you can note down. Okay, so if in case you have any doubt, you can reach out to me on Instagram or on my email. Ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.